Quick question: built-in or freestanding? Here's what really matters. This is the trade table, where home improvement meets smart design. If you're remodeling your kitchen or upgrading your appliances, one big decision you'll face is whether to choose a built-in refrigerator or a freestanding one. It might seem like just a style choice, but the differences affect installation, storage space, budget, and long-term flexibility. Let's break it down. Built-in refrigerators are designed to sit flush with your cabinetry. They're typically counter-depth and have custom panel options, so they blend seamlessly into your kitchen design. Because they're integrated into cabinetry, they require professional installation and precise measurements. Built-in models often have premium materials, stronger hinges, and longer lifespans, sometimes 15 to 20 years or more. They're commonly used in high-end kitchens where design consistency is a top priority. Freestanding refrigerators are the most common type found in homes. They are fully finished on the sides and can be placed almost anywhere there's proper clearance and an outlet. They typically extend slightly beyond the depth of cabinets, unless you choose a counter-depth version. Freestanding refrigerators are easier to install, easier to replace, and come in a wider range of sizes and price points. Built-in refrigerators must be planned into your cabinetry from the start. That means specific cutouts, ventilation spacing, and electrical placement. Freestanding refrigerators offer more flexibility. If you move or remodel later, you can swap them out more easily without changing cabinetry. If you're building a custom kitchen from scratch, built-in can look seamless. If flexibility matters, freestanding usually wins. Here's something many people don't realize. Freestanding refrigerators often offer more usable interior capacity for the same exterior width. Built-in refrigerators prioritize flush design, so they are typically shallower and may have slightly less internal space. If maximum food storage is your priority, freestanding models usually provide better cubic footage for the price. Built-in refrigerators are significantly more expensive. You're paying for premium design, materials, and integration into cabinetry. Installation costs are also higher. Freestanding refrigerators are more budget-friendly and offer strong performance at lower price points. For many homeowners, the price difference is substantial enough to influence the decision. Built-in refrigerators can elevate the look of your kitchen and may add perceived resale value in luxury homes. Freestanding refrigerators offer practical value, easier maintenance, and simpler replacement down the road. The right choice depends on your long-term goals for the home. Choose a built-in refrigerator if seamless design and long-term luxury are priorities. Choose a freestanding refrigerator if flexibility, capacity, and budget matter most. To compare both options and explore high-quality models, visit thetradetable.com, your destination for smarter appliance decisions.